Good morning. Welcome to Apple Tree Forge. This morning we're forging a small Bowie knife from a piece of old buggy spring. Okay, we're ready to hammer the edge on now. Cut the handle to length, and while I was at it, knocked these corners off. This is going to be a coffin handle Bowie. Other than that, everything here has been done on the anvil with hammer. Alright, I've made a counter bend in the blade because as you hammer the edge on, the blade wants to curl away from the hammer blows. So I put this counter bend in, and as you hammer the edge in, then the blade just straightens out. Not everyone does it that way, but this is what has worked best for me. It's important when you're hammering the edge on to not just hammer one side. I rotate from one heat to the other. I'll start this on this edge, the next heat this side, and so on, so that it keeps everything even. Okay, we've taken the blade as far as we can on the anvil. So the last step for today is going to be to anneal it. I'll heat it up in the forge to a good orange heat and then bury it in this cooler of quicklime. You can also use hardwood ashes. Some people use vermiculite. The idea is just to insulate it so that it cools very slowly, and that will relieve stresses in the metal and also soften it enough enough so that we can file it, drill holes for the handle, and all that before we